A car park is 1.5 times as long as it is wide. It has a 2-metre path around the entire perimeter and a 116-metre fence around the outside of the path. What are the dimensions, length L and width W, of the car park bitumen? Just having a quick look at the diagram. So the bitumen is what's in grey. We've got a 2-metre path in white. The fence is in pink all the way around the perimeter. Okay, we've got two unknowns here, so we need to find two equations to represent this problem. So we've been given the perimeter of the entire fence, which is in pink. We can form an equation from that. Let's just go ahead and say the perimeter of the pink fence, it's going to be 2 times L plus 2 metres plus 2 metres. So 2 times L plus 4 plus 2 times W plus 2 plus 2, which is plus 4. Because as you know, the perimeter is 2 times the length plus the breadth. So 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth. So we know that 2L plus 4 plus 2W plus 4 is equal to 116. Let's go ahead and expand that out. So they're all multiplies. So we've got 2L plus 8 plus 2W plus 8 equals 116. Now that's 2L plus 2W plus 16 equals 116. 2L plus 2W is equal to, bring that over as a minus 16, 100. So that's equation 1. Now we need one more equation to be able to solve this problem. Two unknowns means two equations. We know the car park is 1.5 times as long as it is wide. So that means L equals 1.5W. So let's call that equation 2. So two equations, two unknowns. Now we can sub 2 in 1. So that will give us, wherever we come across L, we put in this value, 1.5W. So looking at equation 1, we've got 2 times 1.5W plus 2W equals 100. Expand that out, so that's 3W plus 2W equals 100. 5W, because we can add these because they're like terms, equals 100. Bring that over to divide, which gives us W equals 100 divided by 5, which is equal to 20 metres. So now, finally, we need to find what L is. So we can sub that value back into equation 2 to find L. So sub in 2. Now it's important that you show you're working like this because you get part marks as you go. So L equals 1.5 times 20. L equals 30 metres. Now, like all simultaneous equations, once you find the answers, you can put them back into the equations and just confirm that you've got it right.